Good morning! It's Ethan here, OK Adventure. Guys, before I ever get started with this video, subscribe to the channel. Man, it helps you guys out. It helps. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out so much. And you know what? Like the video. It only takes a second for you to go around and hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button. Helps the channel out, helps my channel grow. I'm just barely growing. I need help from you guys to start launching this channel off. That being said, I'm out here doing some duck hunting again today. Super windy, but birds are flying. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's a January 3rd. Let's get into this video. That gadwall from yesterday, the other day. Woo! Look at that. Come on, guys. Woo! Come on, if that don't deserve a thumbs up, I don't know what does. Boom! Found that bird, baby, out here in the field. Beautiful bird. What's up, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and hop a pond, throw out some deeks, and try again. This spot is pretty burnt out. The wind is in the wrong direction, and the birds are landing all on the other side. Let's get to that other pond.